So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the contrast of an image or how to edit image contrast here on a Keynote presentation. So you open up Keynote, you have your image, which I do right here, press on the image, make sure that in the top right image is selected. So if I have style, for instance, selected, simply just go ahead and press on image. Now, once you go down, I want you to go to these three options right here, or these options right here of these three little sliders. Press on that. Now, once you're on the image adjuster, just like this, you can go ahead to where it says contrast right here. If you slide this bar to the right, you obviously make the contrast more. If you slide this bar to the left, you obviously make contrast a little bit less. So you can play around with it, do what you have to do. If you want to reset it, go ahead and press on reset, and it's back to what it was before. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how you guys can edit the image contrast or the contrast of an image here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.